Sebastian, I mustn't do it. I must remain calm.
Ready, go! Jordan, ready, go!
Your Majesty. Yes, Sebastian. I'm concerned about Ariel. Have you noticed she's been acting peculiar lately? Yeah? You know, mooning about, daydreaming, singing to herself. You haven't noticed. Oh, I, Sebastian. I know you've been keeping something from me.
Get you, Riley! Gonna get you!
About Ariel?
Gonna get you, Jordan! Gonna get you! Get you! Ready? Gonna get you!
Why can't you just tell me what this was all about?
Gonna get you.
Surprise.
Gonna get you. Gonna get you.
Gonna get you!
Gonna get you.
It
Ready?
looks just like him. It even has his eyes.
Ready?
Ready, go!
Why, Eric? Run away?
Ready, go!
I consider myself a reasonable merman.
Ready?
I set certain rules, and I expect those rules to be obeyed.
But Dad,
It is true, you rescued a human from drowning.
Daddy, I have...
Contact between the human world and our world is strictly forbidden. Ariel, you know that. Everyone knows that.
He would have died.
One less human to worry about.
You don't even know him.
Know him? I don't have to know him. They're
Let
all
it
the
go.
same. Spineless,
Let it
savage,
go.
pixie eaters, incapable of any feeling.
Daddy, I love him.
No. Have you lost your senses completely? He's a human. You're a mermaid.
I don't care.
Oh, help me, Ariel. I have